Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is brought to you by a company called OMG Queen Hair. This is the packaging and the box they shipped the wig in and all the products that came inside the box. This is the wig that I chose. This is their Brazilian kinky straight hair and it's a lace frontal wig. This is the hair after I went ahead and bleached the knots. I did not pluck any hair on this wig. This is how the wig came straight out of the packaging, and as you can see, it came with a pre-plucked hairline, which is really great. And this is the hair in its natural state. As you can see, this hair is really full. I have the length 18 inches and the density on this wig is 130%. Now you can wear the wig as is, like in its natural state, but I decided that I wanted to flat iron it and see how straight it would get. And y'all, this hair got so straight with just like one pass of my flat iron, and I didn't even have to add any product in the hair, and the hair got really bone straight and it was just so silky. So I was super impressed with that. So this is how the hair turned out after I flat ironed it, and as you can see, it is really bone straight and just so silky, and it has a lot of movement. It's not too heavy, and like I said, I put zero product in this hair and I was just really feeling it. So now I'm just taking some of my powder to add it to the lace because I felt like it wasn't really blending in with my skin, and I actually added a little bit too much powder and it looks like it's like too light or ashy, but don't worry, I ended up fixing it in the end. And I'm using my Got To Be Glued and my Got To Be Glued spray to apply my wig. I didn't include that part because y'all see me apply my wig before, but let me know if you want a more in-depth tutorial on how I apply my wigs with Got To Be Glued. Now I'm just deciding where I want to put my part at, and at first I thought I wanted to do a side part, but the lace doesn't go like it doesn't go as far back on the sides as it does in the middle, and I felt like the part wouldn't look realistic on the side, so I ended up going with the really sleek middle part. And I'm just taking my hot comb to really flatten out the part and get the hair as flat as I could. So something about the way the wig was laying was just like throwing me off a little bit. Like I felt like the lace was too light, and then the part, I felt like the wig looked kind of bulky at the top. So what I had to do was like really go in with my not my flat iron, but my hot comb, and really like flatten that part out and just get it as flat as I could. And then I went in with my my wax stick, and I also didn't show this part, but I put my scarf over my head and I let it sit for like a good 10-15 minutes, and I felt like that really made the lace lay down flat.
Here's your chance, Kevin. Name something someone might hand you at a wild party.
Keys. They're keys, yep.
They're keys.
Yep.
Oh, see, you saying keys to me. I'm going, somebody do a whole keynote? What kind of, oh, hell, some keys.
Now I'm just going in and creating my baby hairs. I didn't do that much baby hairs on this wig, but I did just enough to cover the lace because the color of the lace like wasn't really blending in with my skin. So I added some baby hairs just to disguise the lace a little bit. So here's where I low-key like fucked up. I thought that if I added some more powder to the lace that it will make it blend better with my skin, but it actually just made it worse, and it made the lace look really light and ashy, which I didn't notice until after the video. But don't worry, because I went back in and I fixed it. So don't try to come for me in my comments, because I did go in and I fixed the lace and it was not looking ashy, okay? So these are the final results of the hair, and this hair just has a really nice natural sheen to it. Like I said, I did not add zero product to this hair, and it just has a really nice luster. It's not heavy at all, and it has a lot of body, and I love how natural this hair looks. It really mimics like African American hair. If you were to like flat iron it and blow dry it straight, it looks really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything about this wig will be linked down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.